Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on temperature worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on temperature, and we have some questions on both degrees centigrade or Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now we have had a lesson on this particular topic, so if you're not sure what to do, on the next slide there is a link. And if you click on the link, it takes you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. So let's have a quick look at what the worksheet is asking us to do. Circle the following temperature for each of the following. So that's the correct temperature. Okay, so we've got some choices here. So some multiple choice, the correct temperature for each of the following. Number 1, water boils at A, 0 degrees Celsius, B, 80 degrees Celsius, and C, 100 degrees Celsius. Number 2, water freezes at A, 0 degrees Celsius, B, 80 degrees Celsius, and C, 100 degrees Celsius. Number 3, water boils at A, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, B, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or C, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And number 4, water freezes at A, 0 degrees Fahrenheit, B, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, and C, 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So for each of those multiple choice questions, just circle the correct temperature. Number 5, the temperature increases from a low of -8 degrees Celsius to a high of 17 degrees Celsius on a particular day. What was the total increase in temperature for that day? Number 6, the temperature of water in a jug is 86 degrees Celsius. How far does it need to rise to get to boiling point? So the answer is in degrees Celsius. Number 7, the temperature of water in a cold lake is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. How many degrees does it have to drop to reach freezing point? And the answer is in degrees Fahrenheit. And number 8, which temperature is hotter, 40 degrees Celsius or 40 degrees Fahrenheit? So remember, on the next slide, if you're not sure what's going on, there is a link. And if you click on the link, that will take you to the lesson on this particular topic. So this worksheet has just presented a few questions on temperature, on both degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit.